property, like how many steps do I stay open for now? Is that
Yeah, how many steps does it stay open? Yeah, that's a nice thing.
that's easy?
So where are the doors? I think it should be. Is it door specific?
Yeah.
I think so. So you can have all doors that close.
So
So
doors
doors
have
have
a
a
position,
position,
and a max,
and you have
like
a-
a time opened
yeah.
and a current time open.
Or steps left,
Steps left thing like it.
and you
like
you
it.
set it to the max steps or something.
Yeah.
So it could be, for instance, 10.
No, 0.
You want to have it 0.
Because it starts closed. And then you have max steps. Which
Yeah,
would be 10.
and that's for the door specific.
That's the setting. And the other one is the
Yeah.
runtime
Yeah.
thing.
So now when you step on the pressure plate, where does it happen?
We don't need the open flag anymore.
If the door is open, no.
No, because we have the steps. So if the steps greater than 0, then the door is open. Right?
Yeah, so this, let's see, we can actually, the doors, its door index. This is the door this one has access to.
Oh, we had openness. Yeah.
We had an
That's
openness,
true.
which
We
is,
didn't have a flag.
why is it blue? I don't know. It's probably how this works, right? Yeah. Okay. So we set it, when you are on the pressure plate, it opens the door. Maybe we don't need this anymore.
Left open to the max open.
Yeah.
Yeah. Although it feels a bit ugly to do that in the switch simulation. So I would say the switch like asks the door, like sets a request open, and the door handles its openness steps itself. But we can do it quickly now by programming it.
Yeah.
It feels a bit weird, I mean, to program the door logic in the switch
Mhm.
logic. But for now, to test the mechanic, it's okay. We don't have other things that open doors anyway, so. Cool.
Okay, so the openness actually now,
We can completely remove it. Also, the switch doesn't close the door anymore.
no.
It only sets it to max steps every time.
Yeah, and the
It's
door,
pressed.
every time the door gets simulated, which is every frame, we remove, we
Only if it's a new
decrease.
step.
Yeah, exactly. So how do we know if it's a new step?
We have a step thing.
So that's what we talked about before, to have a function that says do step, which is because now it's time until move, and when it's like it simulates already once. See?
Oh, okay.
So that's good.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. So this is the do step
Yeah,
actually.
so we already have it.
So here we can, when we simulate the door, we at the end of it we decrease the timer. So that would be here. So it's, and then steps left open.
Yeah.
We need to
so
check.
if it's greater, then it sets openness to 0 or something like that. No. It's maybe weird.
So if it's not, well, you can set the door openness to 0, right?
Mm-hmm.
But this, we don't check this.
Before that.
Yeah. So actually this is the thing that we check. Yeah. So if this is greater than 0, it should be open, otherwise it should
Yeah.
be closed, and then we decrease this. This is after the first frame, so it actually stays open at least one frame.
So,
Oh.
the decrease just after this line.
Only after if it's greater. Yeah.
Yeah,
If it's
you
zero,
could,
you
yeah.
should not decrease it.
Yeah.
Cool.
So let's see what this brings us. So now the door. Oh, the door was open already because.
Then it should close now.
Yeah, but why was it open? Why is
I
it
don't know.
open in the beginning? So, because it should be 0. So we're probably like steps left open is 0 of this door. The steps left. So if it's pressed, we set it to something higher, but we don't. So why does it think it should be open? So if it's greater than 0, otherwise we set a wall there.
Oh, this is just we don't set the door to open.
Yeah.
We only draw the
I think
collider.
no. I think in draw we also check the openness. So it's actually correct, but we don't.
Oh, we should set the openness. We don't set the
Yeah.
openness
So here
anymore.
it checks.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we could set the openness to
Yeah.
1, so the draw function knows what to do. Yeah. It's a bit of a.
So it actually worked, but we didn't see it.
Yeah, we did. So the debug mode would show it. Yeah. So here we could set the openness.
Yeah, that's fine for now.
Was it with double N?
Yeah.
No, it was like this.
Yeah.
And here we should set it to 0.
No.
Why not? It won't. It won't get
Oh,
reset.
anything else? Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Sure. I thought you meant it. Yeah. First time. Cool. So, do we have a door now?
Yeah, we have a
Does
door,
it go
and it
open?
stay open for
Yeah,
10.
cool.
Ah.
Damn.
Yeah.
Well, that was a great game.
Deur staat er bovenaan.
You need to teleport on now.
Waar zit die deur dan?
Here,
Oh,
here it
it's
is.
the
Dat
brown
kan ik niet
thing.
zien.
Oh,
Ah, you don't see it?
that's weird.
That's weird. Where's the door? No, you should be able to see it. Can you scroll up? Or is it just, is it something I programmed wrong? Super
Yeah,
strange.
You can
Oh,
scroll.
okay.
Ah.
Sorry. Okay.
Yeah, so the door is the brown thing, top right.
Now we
And
need
we cannot
teleporters.
make it now.
We need teleporters.
Yeah, we would have made. Yeah, we need teleporters. No, better level design. Yeah, so. But it would be nice if you could see how many is left.
Yeah.
So maybe a counter
Just
for
the
now.
color, die door, die hebt counter.
Yeah, a color counter or frame visual.
Maybe if a door is always 2 blocks, and
Two
like
blocks,
1 block is the frame, and then you see. Well, sliding is weird because if it already slides a bit, then you clip through it. I mean,
Oh.
I mean, the space where the door should be completely empty because it indicates you can pass through. But the block next to it could be like a door panel which counts down, like 10, 9, 8, 7. Really
Next
simple.
to it.
Yeah,
Really?
like the frame of the door, the wall to the left
Ah,
of it.
okay. So a door should always be between walls.
Yeah. I mean,
Yes, so we
for
could.
now. Or we could do like a grayish pie chart, which reduces like a
Yeah, like a counter,
timer.
like a clock. Yeah, that makes sense, I think.
And it's also nice to draw.
Yeah, it's a nice thing to draw, so we can get our cosines working.
Oh, the P5 has a pie chart thing, right?
An arc.
Arc.
Yeah. Oh, that's horrible. No, we should probably use it, but it has some weird wrapping. So, but we'll see. Yeah, let's make a timer so we can see for how long the door is still open. Okay, so that's in the draw loop, and the draw actually. So we go to the draw. Okay, where are the doors? Where do we draw doors? Here. So this does the fill of the brown thing. We could also check, for instance, steps left open.
Yeah, openness is 1.
Well, something here. So it's probably this number, steps left open. If it's 0, this should be times the arc, like 2 pi would be the complete circle.
Oh, I thought you want to draw the number first. But
Oh, the number. We're gonna do a number.
Like first.
Like, oh, okay, yeah, we could
Thing.
do a text thing. And we could do first that it aligns to the tile. So I think this should work. And here we could say steps left open.
But only if it's greater than 0, I guess.
Yeah.
But yeah.
At which position? TXTY probably? Not sure. There's actually a mode that says that you should draw the tile from the center out. Now we have the offset. We do constantly, we do minus the half of the tile, but you can actually say like there's a rect mode center which draws P5 as.
Okay, cool. Of course.
So that would save a lot of typing.
Yeah.
For now, we have to make sure the text, for instance, is white, and we have to set the text size to
Small.
something small just to check. Well, let's see. Now there it is.
Yeah.
So it should not be the center. Probably. Okay. Doesn't matter that much for the text.
Oh, yeah.
But the TXTY, now we need to add half of the tile.
Yeah.
You could actually do auto refresh now.
Yeah, it only works
When you press
from
play.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so this looks good. And we could say if the steps left open is greater than 0, you do
With
this.
an else for the other thing.
Hm? Wat was dat?
Hier deel, als het kleiner is dan 1, dan doe je dit ook een else.
Oh yeah, if the openness is smaller than 0, then otherwise you could. Yeah, because we have it connected to. Yeah, that's true. Yeah. So immediately we see a 0, which
Why?
is weird. I don't know, but it's
Yeah.
just the beginning. So yeah, there it is.
Yeah, it works.
Yeah. Okay, so it's 9, 10. Yeah. Why is it 9?
And why? We see 9 and 0. That's interesting.
Yeah, the 0 is it 10? No.
No, it's because
Maybe
our steps work. Oh, at the end of the step we decrease
We
the number
decrease
and
it. Yeah,
then
we
we
never
start
see
drawing.
the first one.
Yeah. So we need to plus it with 1 here.
Yeah, you never.
Or we
see,
decrease it at the beginning of the step. The step.
yeah, we simulate it and we decrease it, but we should actually simulate, draw, and then decrease it.
Yeah.
But we don't. So we could fake it and say it was +0 when we wanted to draw it. That's a
Yeah.
bit ugly. But we're not ashamed to do ugly stuff. So it begins at 1, actually.
Because that's interesting.
So it's open when you start. So
But not when
now
we really
it's
start.
correct. Yeah, but it starts at 1.
Why?
We leave that as an exercise to the viewer. Why it's 1? Well, but it
In the
works.
pause screen, because that's weird.
Well, let's draw the arc. How does the arc work? So I think it works. I have no idea. Like it should be. This is the position where it starts.
Not the center of the.
Maybe it's the center of the circle and then the how of the ellipse. I think. Let's see. I think I did it before, and then make from 1 to pi. Does it just use pi? Let's see. What does this draw?
Ah, yeah.
That's pretty close. It's half a circle. Yeah. Okay, so the offset should be the tile width and the tile height again. Ah, half of it. So half of these. There
Yeah.
it is. And I think so.
2 pi.
Yeah, if you do 2 pi. Well, this should be tau, right? We need to define it somewhere. Look at the